Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Google Artifact Registry on VDS VPS, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your virtual dedicated server or virtual private server. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to install packages and make changes. Open your terminal application to enter commands. First, update the package list on your server. You can do this by running the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install Docker if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt-get install docker.io. Once installed, start the Docker service with sudo system start docker. Verify that Docker is running by executing sudo system status docker. Now, you need to install Google Cloud SDK. Download the latest version of the Google Cloud SDK. Navigate to the Google Cloud SDK installation page for specific links. Follow the provided instructions to install the SDK on your server. Once the installation is complete, initialize the SDK. Run the command cloudinit. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in to your Google account. After logging in, set the appropriate project using cloud config set project, your _project _ID. Next, authenticate Docker to the Google Artifact Registry. Use the command cloud-auth configure Docker. This command sets up Docker to use the credentials from your Google account. Now, you can create a repository in Google Artifact Registry if you haven't done so. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console and select Artifact Registry. Click on Create Repository. Fill in the necessary details such as repository name and location. After creating the repository, you can start pushing images. Build your Docker image using the command docker build t image_name path_to Docker file. Once the image is built, tag it for the Artifact Registry. Use the command docker tag image_name location docker.package_dev/your_project_id/repo. Finally, push your Docker image to the Artifact Registry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.